Okay, Grayson and I just took a after supper stroll around the neighborhood, and 3 or 4 times, here, like that. Okay, and now Grayson, we moved Mama's car back into the carport, and Grayson doesn't want to get out of the car because he's hiding with his 2 buddies, right? What do you have?
Canaan.
Here it is, Grayson. What do you have?
I had Canaan.
Okay, and what did we just do?
Huh?
Did we just stroll around the neighborhood?
Yes. I think Happy.
Yeah, with Happy, and what did we talk about?
What? Mimi?
What did we talk about?
What? Surprise.
Okay, we talked about Mommy and Daddy. He did have a moment there where when we came back up the hill, he got a little confused because he saw Mama's car in the driveway. And he's like, Mama home? And of course I said, no, Mama's gone. And he said, Mama gone, bye-bye. And I said, yeah, Mama and Daddy's gone, bye-bye. But they'll be back. They'll be back on Sunday. And Mimi's here to take care of you. And he said, he said, Mimi, take care of me. So anyway, then of course he went back right into independent mode. Got him out, opened the stroller thing, and he's trying to help him down, and he's like, I'll do myself. So anyway, this is day 1. If I can ever get him out of this car, we're going to go inside and take a shower. I know that, well, not a shower, bubble bath. And hopefully he'll go to bed early and I can get in the shower because I'm sure I'm looking rather haggard. And anyway, we're having fun. He's okay. And this is a documentary of the great adventure of babysitting the G-Man. 3 more days to go. Actually, 2.5. Anyway, peace, and I guess we'll be checking in. Grayson, you want to tell the camera bye-bye? Grayson, you want to tell the camera bye-bye? Grayson.
Whoa! I saw you! Help! Oh.
Grayson, want to tell the camera bye-bye? Well, I guess not. He's playing with his peoples, who he calls Happy, I guess. And what's their name, Grayson? Okay, what's his name? Is it Happy?
Save me.
What's his name? Oh, Save Me? But what's his name?
You got
What? And by the way, he's been
No,
playing like
thanks.
their mommy and daddy.
Whoa!
Who is this? Who's this? Is that Manny? Who is it? You, okay. Alright. We'll check in later. And gosh, I bet I look horrible. I have no makeup on or nothing. I'll talk to you later.